So today I wanted to talk a little about how you can make or create anything in much more smoother and an easier manner. Okay, this is a process which I've been a very small method, not a very elaborate thing. It doesn't have too many steps, so don't worry. It's a method which I've been following for many years now, and it has more or less worked for me. I wouldn't say always, but it has worked. Okay, so just a little background to it. Every time we try to create anything, you're trying to create a music, or you're trying to create a report maybe, or a balance sheet, or whatever you're trying to create, remember one thing, and I know you will agree with me, that you are doing it to experience some feeling, to experience some emotion. It's not the report, it's probably the appreciation you will get out of that report from your peer group or from your seniors. Is that what you are really seeking for? Sometime the high that music creation or that design that will give you is what you are seeking for. So it's not that painting or that music, it's the feeling, right? So it's an emotion that we want to really feel inside. So the method is very simple. Whenever you're trying to create something, okay, don't jump on to actually start doing it. Take like a 2 minutes time, and now you just need to start visualizing or feeling the outcome which you want out of the work you're doing. In my own case, when I'm designing a logo, let's say I'm designing a logo for somebody, and I want an outcome like I have sent this logo to my client, and my client has said, "Hey Udit, you don't need to create any more logos. I mean, we just love it. I've shown it to my team members and everybody loved it, and we just love your job." Imagine the kind of feeling it brings to you. I mean, I love that feeling. So just fill yourself. I mean, to me, it starts filling me with all that feeling. And when this happens, actually, all the other feelings of uncertainty and fear and whether I'll be able to do it or not, that kind of feeling will start going away. And you have filled all your being with all the amazing feeling. That is the point where you need to start your creation. So all this method does is that you start experiencing the outcome before it has really happened. I mean, I know it sounds stupid, but it does bring some sort of energy in you, and I'm sure probably quantum physics has a better answer to this, but there is some energy which will start making things happen for you. Maybe, for example, for me, when I'm designing a logo, I start seeing ideas all around me. It's so simple to get an idea. For example, you're making a report, and the research will become very easy for you. Maybe the 20 times of Google search will now be just like 1 or 2 times of Google search. Something like that would happen. Try it out. Another thing which I want to point out, that some people may say that this is like attaching to an outcome. No, it is not really attaching to an outcome. I really don't think so, because if you are more afraid that whether your outcome will be good or not, that is the time you are attached more to the outcome. By doing this, you are actually detaching yourself from the outcome. You already know the outcome is great, so you're not really worried about the outcome. It makes you more detached with the outcome, and that's what really works. Try it out. It'll be different for different people. You can do it in your own way. Just give it a try. I'm sure it'll work. That's all I wanted to share today. Thank you so much.